Howdy. I'd like to take a second to show you my EDC pocket dump. My right front pocket, I carry a book of matches, my clicker, and a little push light. I don't carry keys with me. I don't need them for my front door, and then any other keys I may need, I have in my pickup. My pocket pistol is just a little folder 22 Magnum. I've got backup in my pickup if I need anything bigger. This signifies my phone, which is the Google Pixel Plus. I carry in my back right pocket unless it's being used. I choose to carry a little Fisher Space pen that rides in my left front pocket, along with chapstick. My wallet of choice is the ZPacks Cuban Fiber wallet. That one is brand new because I'm retiring this guy today. It's still structurally strong. It's just not waterproof anymore. And I'm going to repurpose this. My knife of choice is a Leatherman multi-tool. The particular one that I have there is the Wave Plus. I've had for about a month now. My knife that I carried before that was a Leatherman Surge. And then a pair of sunglasses. Adios.